Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, realize, experience the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It is not the physical ingredients that make your being, but the spirit that operates it. Well, occupies it too. Spiritual society may divide labor, but social classes are not the same as birth castes. The representative forms can be as good as direct presence in practical terms. Secondary divine qualities are best for service with specific goals. The passive principle, our means, needs the active principle. God consciousness can reach a state called desirelessness. Because desires are not in conflict. Sacrificing animals is as liberating that type of animal nature for the afterlife as being at least human afterwards. Yoga will never be just gymnastics. Tantra will never be just sex and miracles. Devotion is perfected when not about rewards, nor anti-cosmic, nor liberation from bodily ends. Surrender to God needs to be in any material situation and with empathy to all incarnated beings. From God consciousness comes the rest of implementing the true social order. Religion can come as naturally as the other desires. The sun is to take from the life of the living, but a devotee increases in eternal life. Charity is always returned there. Encourage those with devotion more than those with skill. Of course, you should bring those with skill and knowledge into devotional service. It's like that Surah 387 part of the Quran, those grounded in it. It's not just that they know what they're talking about, it's that they have an attachment to, the right way. Don't express yourself without purpose. Ignore nonsense. All of life is to be for mental and spiritual development. Religious education is supposed to produce independence, rather than just service, like secular education tends towards. There are mantras that will connect to the blood of others. If you want animal powers, there are other animals that do it better. The vote for the more qualified certainly counts more. And, certainly can count more, even in the material sense. It's like, look at now, in my country we have the electoral college and the Senate and stuff. And although what's going on right now is not to overturn the vote of the people, it's to discover the vote of the people, but whatever issues. God consciousness is meant to be good for all of society. There are said to be 8.4 million types of afterlife, or worlds of beings. Tanme prasidatam amartya vanchatam kartum bhavan karuniko bhatarhate taveyatmano runham adamhra chakshusha nirupeta manurhana yachata. Therefore, towards me, please be kind. This, O immortal Lord, fulfill my desire. You've accepted me as half of your body. You know, us human beings, we're means, and if we accept this, there's no conflict. That's, you know, I think I mentioned that earlier. In the half I am, having the knowledge and situated to me, please show the kindness requested. And of course, a true God would know better than we do about ourselves, right? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attracting, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.